What's up, everyone? Long time no see. I'm making a quick video just to show you guys how to how to solve these problems on your graphing calculators. So this picture is taken straight from the textbook. If you notice here, this problem number 113 was from assignment 2_1, and problem 117 is from tonight's assignment 2_2. So I'm just going to show you how to do the ones in yellow to help you answer questions 113 and 117 if you haven't done those already, and just to get an understanding of how we can use our graphing calculators to answer these questions. So the reason I'm pointing this part out is because problems 112 and 118, they kind of look different. Like in 112, they're set equal to 0. In 118, it says f of x is equal to so and so. So number 112 is written as an equation and it's set equal to 0. Number 118 is written as a function. And even the directions are kind of different. It says solve graphically, round solutions, and then here it says use a graphing calculator to find the zeros. Remember, solutions and zeros are the exact same thing. So all these problems from 111 through 122 are all going to be done the same way. Okay, so let's do number 112. All right, so when you go to your calculator to solve graphically, we have to access the graph part, which is these top 5 buttons right here. So to put the equation in, we have to go to y equals and put it in. Move myself. Okay. So we have 5x squared, and then we got plus 42x plus 16. I'm not going to write that equals 0 part because I need to write this as an equation in order for it to graph. Okay, so going to the graph, whoa. Now if you have something that's kind of like, it doesn't look like this, or zoom too far in, zoom too far out, remember you can press zoom and go to 6 for zoom standard. So even though I don't see the entire parabola, I just need the zeros. I just need the x-intercepts because those are the solutions. Okay, so to find the zeros, you got to do 1 0 at a time. So let's say I was picking this 0 first. Obviously, it doesn't matter which one you do first. So I'm going to press, if you look above the trace button, it says calculate. I'm going to press second trace to access the calculate function. And, well, it must be this. So I'm going to pick 0. Now it's asking for a left bound. So if we're looking at this 0, I need to put this cursor somewhere to the left of the 0. So that's somewhere there is fine. Press enter. And then now it's asking, okay, find a right bound. So I'm going to go somewhere to the right of it. It doesn't matter where exactly, but right there. And if you look closely, you'll see 2 arrows, 2 blue arrows facing each other, and there's dotted lines. This is the window that you just gave your calculator to say, hey, the 0 I'm looking for is somewhere in between these two arrows. Okay, and then it says guess. At this point, you've given your calculator enough information, just press enter. And it'll take you right there. So one of our zeros is -0.4. So x equals -0.4 or 0.4, it doesn't matter. So that's one answer. And then to find the second one, to find this 0, we just got to do this over again. So second trace, choose option 2 for 0, and then it's asking, it's going to play 21 questions again. So find somewhere to the left of the 0. So if you see, I'm only using the left and right arrows, and you're going to keep going because it's off the grid right now. And it should pop up. Oh, there it is. Cool. So anywhere to the left of it, here's the 0. Having the cursor anywhere to the left of it would be good. So press enter there. There's half of the window. Now it's asking for the right bound. Now I was pressing the right arrow until I get somewhere past it. And again, there's no specific place on where to press enter. You can press it here, here, here. Don't go all the way here and press enter, because now your window is going to contain both zeros. Okay, so it's saying guys, press enter one more time, and we get -8. Now sometimes you might get this where it's like, hey, the y value should be 0. This is a number that's very close to 0. Sometimes these the algorithms with these calculators are not perfect, but that's still the 0. X equals -8, and you're done. Okay, so let's try the next problem now. All right, so if you got the idea, you can go ahead and, you don't need to see this problem, but just in case you're confused with the wording for number 118 and the format that it's in because it's written as a function, I do want to show this to you, and you're more than welcome to pause. I'm actually going to go through this one very quickly to show you how quick it is to actually use the graphing calculators once you get the hang of them. So for 118, I'm going to go to y equals, just like I did for 112, and then I'm going to type this in. 4x squared minus 3x minus 2. Okay, go to graph, and let's see if this shows up anywhere. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so to get the zeros, I'm going to go to second trace, choose option 2, and let's just go do the left 0 first this time. Pick somewhere left, enter. Pick somewhere to the right of it, enter, and press enter again. After guess, there's one of our zeros. So we have x equals -0.4, -0.425. Round to 3 decimal places when appropriate. This is where it's appropriate because we have 15,000 decimals. All right, second trace. Find somewhere to the left of the 0. That's good. Find somewhere to the right of the 0. That's good. Press enter twice, and you get your other answer is x equals 1.175. And that is it. Hope this video helps. Please reach out if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.